The Mekong Delta appears quiet and unhurried, as if holding its own secrets. When the early morning mist still blankets the river, and the coconut trees cast their shadows on the alluvial water, one feels as if stepping into another world, where time slows down, and every sound carries a mystical aura. The Mekong Delta is not only a land of abundant fruits, but also a place where humanity and nature intertwine. As the sun rises, the farmers begin their workday quietly but responsibly. Amidst the lush green durian orchard, each slow step and each carefully calculated spraying motion is meticulously planned. This is not only to protect the trees from pests and diseases, but also to preserve the quality of each durian fruit before it reaches the consumer. Each mist of pesticide spreading through the air is the result of experience, knowledge, and patience. Here, the farmers don't just grow trees, they care for an entire ecosystem. Behind the rich flavor of ripe durian lies sweat, responsibility, and a commitment to sustainable agriculture. After a long morning of carefully spraying the durian orchard, the farmer finishes his work as the green leaves sway gently in the breeze, protecting the next season's harvest. With the job done, he walks quietly toward the pond behind the garden. No machines, no rush. Just a simple net and years of experience. Beneath the clear water, fish move in every direction. The pond is alive, rich, abundant, and full of life. Within minutes, the net grows heavy. Fish are everywhere, as if nature itself is offering a reward for honest labor. This is more than just a meal after work. It's a moment of connection between the land, the water, and the people who care for them. In this peaceful corner of the countryside, life feels slow, natural, and deeply fulfilling. Food from nature, work from the heart.